Hi, AACPS students. This video will show you how to log into Chrome to get to Classlink if you are a pre-K, kindergarten, first, second, or third grade student. Are you ready? Then let's go. The first thing you will have to do is to open the Chrome browser. So on your computer, look for the icon or picture that is a circle that is red, yellow, and green with a blue center. Go ahead and double click on that. When you open the browser, you will see a page that looks like this, but if you don't, that's okay. The important thing is to click in the upper right-hand corner where you see the little gray circle with the head and shoulders in it. We call this the little dude. When you click on the little dude, a window will pop down. You will need to click on the blue button that says Turn on Sync. It'll be right in the center. A window will appear that says Sign in to Chrome. In the box that says email or phone, you need to type your student ID number at aacps.org. Your student ID number is the same number that you use to buy lunch or to sign into the computer at school. To make the @ sign, you need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and tap the number 2. After you hit the blue button that says Next, you will come to this screen. Once again, type in your student ID number or lunch number with the at aacps.org at the end. It needs to match exactly what it looked like on the screen before. When you're finished, hit the blue Next button again. After you type in your username again, you'll be asked to enter your password. For pre-K through grade 3 students, your password is your birth date backwards. You will need to put in 4 numbers for the year, 2 numbers for the month, and 2 numbers for the day. For your month, use the codes that you see here. For example, January is the first month of the year, so it is 01. February is 02, March is 03, and so on. Once you put in your password, Google is going to double check to make sure that you are you. On this screen, where it says Verify it's you in the middle, you're going to hit the blue Continue button. In the upper right-hand corner, it's going to ask if you want to save your password. Always go with the white Never button. When you hit Continue, you will then see this box pop up at the top of your screen. It's very important that you choose Link Data. We're almost there. This is the last screen for signing into Google Chrome. On this box, hit that blue Yes, I'm in button. Now, to find Classlink, you're going to go to the top of the screen and you're going to see a little file folder that says AACPS Bookmarks. Click on it and choose Classlink. It's the last option in the menu. When you choose Classlink from the bookmarks bar, you're then going to have to put in your lunch number, that student ID number, and your password one more time. Once you do that, yay, you're into Classlink. Congratulations. Now, what do you say we make that a little bit easier for next time? To get rid of one of those times where you have to type in your username and password, go into Classlink and in the top corner by the little blue and white head and shoulders, hit the down arrow. Then select the button that says My Profile. In the window that opens, select the Sign In options from the list on the left. It's the one that's right above the bottom choice. From there, you're going to select the blue Connect button that's beside the big black G that says Google Account. So what did that do? Well, the next time you come to Classlink and you see this page, you'll be able to use the Sign In with Google option, and you won't have to put in your username and password again. You'll go right into Classlink and be able to get started on your assignment. Congratulations! You are now signed into Chrome. If you just close your window with the red X in the top corner, you'll stay signed in, and you won't have to go through all of these steps again. You may have to hit the Sign In with Google button on the Classlink page, but it'll open right up and you'll be able to get started. Have a great day.